Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will discuss the solution to the problem nearest multiple of 10. In this problem, you will be given a string str that represent a positive number. And here, the length of string str can be up to 10 power 5. This means it is representing a positive number whose number of digits can be up to 10 power 5. So we cannot convert a string to an integer because the maximum number that we can store in long data type is up to 10 power 18 only, that is somewhere around 18 or 19 number of digits. And the task is to round str to the nearest multiple of 10. And if you have two multiples equally apart from str, then choose the smallest element among them. So for example, for this number 29, the nearest multiple of 10 is 30. For 15, its nearest multiple is 20 and 10, but we have to select the number which is smallest. So that's why here we have our output as 10. So let's see how we can solve this problem. So the very basic observation is that if the number is multiple of 10, then it must have a last digit as 0. So all the integers whose last digit is 0 is a multiple of 10. Cool. So now we can break down into two cases. So case 1, where this last digit is less than or equal to 5. So if the last digit is less than or equal to 5, then I will just simply change this to 0. Cool, because this is gonna be the nearest multiple of 10. Just simply subtract the value of last digit so that it will be converted to 0. Then the second case, the case 2, where the value of last digit is greater than 5. So in such a case, we have to add something to get the smallest multiple of nearest multiple of 10. So we add something to make the last digit as 0. So let's say we have 8 here. So here what I will do, I will just simply add 2 and convert it into a 0. So if you adding something, then you must have to forward the carry from right to left. Cool. So here in this case, I will just simply add 2 here. So the number becomes a 0, and basically this will be converted to 0. The last digit will change to 0 and one carry will be forwarded. So then the next digit is 9. So 9 plus 1 carry. So one carry will be generated in second case. So then I will forward this carry. So 9 plus 1 carry, which is equal to 10, and then 0, and one carry will again forward it to the next digit. So here we have 8, then 8 plus 1 carry, 9. Cool. And now the value of carry is equal to 0. So rest of the digit I will copy as it is. So thereafter we have 7, then 5, 4, 0 and 2. So let me just again summarize the solution. So here we have two cases. The case 1 where the last digit is less than or equal to 0. So in this case we have to subtract the value of last digit so that the last digit will convert it to 0. So in that case no carry will be generated. But in case if the last digit value is greater than 5, so in that case we have to add something, add the remaining difference to make the last digit at 0, and a carry will be generated, and we have to forward this carry from right to left. And once we got some number whose value is less than 9, so in such case we can add their carry, and then after the carry will change it to 0. Cool. And the remaining digit copy as it is. So let me just show you the implementation here. So here first I am finding the size of this string str, and then this is case 1 where the last digit is less than or equal to 5. Then I will just simply change it to 0 and return the same str string. Cool. Then this is the case 2 where the last digit is greater than 5. So in this case here my carry is 0, and then I will change this last digit to 0, and the next index to which the carry will be forwarded is n minus 2, and here I am changing this carry to 1. And while the value of I is greater than or equal to 0, that is index value, and the carry is equal to 1, because once the carry is equal to 0, then we have to just copy all the digits as it is. So this is the current digit, and then in the current digit I will add the carry, and if the current digit is greater than 9, that is if it is 10, then one carry will be forwarded to its left, and the current digit simply becomes 0. Cool. And in the else part, the carry will be 0, and this is the current digit. Cool. And simply I am updating str of I with the current digit, and then I minus minus take me to the previous left index. Cool. And at the end I am checking if there is a carry, then we have to print 1. We have to print 1, or you can say we have to add 1 at the beginning of the string. So this is when all the digits are 9. So let's say you have this case. This is case 2, example of case 2. So let's say you have 9, 9, and here we have 8. So its nearest multiple, that is change this digit to 0, and by adding 2. So if I add 2, this will be changed to 0. Let me write it here. So this will simply change it to 0 if I add 2 here, and 1 carry will be generated. So here we have 1 carry, then 9 plus 1 carry 10, and 0, then 1 carry will be forwarded, and again 9 plus 1 carry 10, 0, 1 carry will be forwarded, then 9 plus 1 carry 10 and 0, and then here we have to print 1. Cool, because 1 carry will be forwarded after adding 1 to every element on its left. So yeah, that's why I'm adding 1 at the beginning. So this is basically a very basic math. And then finally I'm returning this str. Cool. So let's try to submit this. And the time complexity is linear because in the worst case all the digits are 9 and you are changing the last digit. So that is you have to add the carry to all its previous digit. And we are changing this original string itself. So we are not using any extra space. So that's why the space complexity is constant. This was all about the solution for this problem. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and have a good day.